Right, you've downloaded the AV bundle. Thank you. Check out your emails. That's going to be in your inbox in a few minutes. If you need to check the junk mail, check the junk mail. It's going to be in there. Mark us as safe and you'll be good to go. But there's more because I'm a nice guy. Now, when I was in the military, we had a saying. That saying was, the mission is only as good as the prep that you put into it. I think Mike Tyson actually says, everyone's got a plan until you get punched in the face. And to be honest, we never ever went into a situation without a kit, without a physical kit to get us ready for every single punch in the face that we received. Now, planning an office move or a refurb is, it's not life and death like the military was, but let me tell you, when your AV goes wrong on day one, it certainly feels like it when you're getting daggers in the back of your head. Now, that's exactly why I've created something really special. I'm only giving to the people that have downloaded the AV bundle. It's something that we never share publicly. You can't Google it. You can't, we don't give this away just to any willy-nilly person that, makes a phone call to our help desk. But it's an unfair advantage that you get when you're planning your AV. Now, stick with me because you're going to want to see what this is. If you've ever been involved in an office move, then you already know what it's like. It's absolute carnage. It's chaotic. Furniture here, contractors there, people arguing about carpet, tiles and, ceilings and position of HVAC systems, all this kind of stuff. IT pointing at facilities, facilities pointing at IT, and nobody agreeing on timelines. Main contractor basically squeezing the AV until the very end. The AV always gets put in last because, frankly, they forget. And then they've still got a PC, project completion date, to stick to. But that's exactly why your budgets get blown. It's why delays happen. It's why everyone gets annoyed with you when the office doesn't open on time. And that's why I'm going to send you this. You ready? It's a lovely little surprise that I send to all of my clients who are serious about getting their AV designs right. Now, I'm not going to tell you what's inside this box. Not here. Not yet, but it's exciting. And I will tell you this, right? It's designed to make your AV planning easier, faster, simpler, cleaner, pain-free. It's the same prep that I wish every single client that we work with had before we ever walk into a project. And when people use what's inside this box, we see fewer delays, we see fewer surprises, we get smoother installs, we get cleaner meetings on day one. Think of this little box like your mission pack. I mentioned a minute ago about the mission. Think of this like your mission pack that I used to take overseas with me. A small, simple set of tools that meant I could walk into any situation and deal with it. Only this time, this mission pack is specifically for your office move. Now, it'll shock you how much easier AV becomes when you have this sort of thing in your hands. Now, here's the deal, right? You've already taken the first step by downloading the AV bundle. And let me tell you, smart move. Even if you just use that, you're going to be way ahead of anybody just starting out. But this package, this here, this is the real advantage. Inside this box is something that gives you clarity, it gives you confidence, it gives you control, and it removes 90% of the unknowns that normally cause AV carnage. And no, I don't care how many times you beg and ask, I am not revealing what's inside of it.
What's in the fucking box?
Not in this video anyway. But if you want one, just let me know where to send it. Pop your details in the form below. I'll send it over to you. Let me know where best to send this package and it'll be on the next delivery out of here on your doorstep within a couple of days. Now you're going to love what's inside, right? And trust me, your future AV project will thank you for it. Fill in the details below. Let me know where best to send it. You'll have it in a couple of days. See you then.